Hey guys, so I'm super excited to be unboxing Jane's Agenda's first subscription box. I think the box is so pretty and that's what actually sold me on this box. I have never actually bought anything from her shop. I've kind of just been eyeing it, and so as soon as I saw this box, I knew I just had to have it. So I've been looking at her inserts and her vellum and dashboards, and I'm super excited to look at what's included. So let's go ahead and take a peek. So we have her information, Jane's Agenda. So look at this packaging. It is so pretty. I love this right here, the hello. And then let's go ahead and take, oh my goodness, take all of this out. We have some of this paper, and that's what's inside. Super pretty, like, is it not? I am so glad that I got this box, and I am looking into her inserts, and I think I might be using those for 2021. So I knew right away that I wanted to purchase some of those, so I went ahead and bought this box. And of course, I'm never careful with this, so let me just go ahead and try to rip into this. Okay, there we go. And I've kind of seen sneak peeks, but it's like when you cover your eyes and you kind of don't, like you kind of look, but you kind of don't. So let's see. Fall is my favorite color. Yes, it is. I love fall. It is my favorite season, that and winter. So I love that. And this says, as the seasons change, so do we. May we be aware that we are shifting just like the wind. Beautiful. I love how this changes. And let's see. Oh, some sticky notes. Okay, let's see the print. Is that how it is with all of them? So it has like these birds, and it has the J and the A down here. Yes. Okay, so these are super pretty. I am loving the blue. And I can see that we have a bookmark. So this is pretty with blue foil. And let's take a look. How pretty is this? It's so nice for fall, and I believe I ordered everything for my half letter. So let's look at this dashboard. Oh, and it's actually not even a dashboard. It is a cover. So we have the gold foil here, and the back does not have foil. But how pretty is this? Okay, this is really nice. I love gold for fall. I think it's such a beautiful color, and I don't even like foil. So this is so pretty. And then let's take a look at this one. So this just says, life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. That is beautiful. I love the feeling of this. I am super excited to start layering and get this set up. So let's open this one. What is the best way? So just get this one, and we'll open it like this. Okay. So how beautiful are these? Oh, there's several of them. Okay. I don't know why, but I love the blue with like the orange and the yellow. Like, how pretty does this look like this? Like, doesn't that just look so beautiful? This right here. I think that looks really, really nice. I am loving the layering. That looks really pretty. So let's see. Oh, here are some inserts. I was just talking about me wanting to try out some of her inserts. So I love that they included these. So I don't know, as far as inserts, which size I would like to try, but I love that this was included. I love that this one has lines, so that's perfect. Okay. I am excited to start playing with these before I officially decide what I want to use for 2021. I don't know if I'm still going to be in a disc-bound system, because I have been playing with the idea of maybe getting rings. So I want to buy her inserts for the ring planner that I'll be using for 2020. I'm still not sure of the size, whether it's an A5 or a personal, but I think I'm leaning more towards an A5. So I am so glad that these inserts were included with this box. And then we have a fall bucket list, movies to watch. Okay, this is perfect. In our household, we love watching movies. It is our favorite thing to do. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we have movies to watch, books to read, things to do, and a general bucket list. So how perfect are these? I love the design down the spine. I think it's really pretty, super fall. So I love that. Let's see. Okay, so we have some washi, don't give up. Okay, this is like really pretty. Let's see. So it's not a specific design, just the teal bluish color and the gold foil. Don't give up and don't give in. That's so pretty. Okay, this is really nice. And we have a my liner. It matches so well with the colors of this box. You can never have too many my liners, right? Like, this is so pretty. It matches so well. And then what is this? I want to say maybe like a tote bag, but let me go ahead and get rid of all of this cute little wrapping. That way it doesn't keep spilling all over here. Okay, so now we can take a look at what this is. So it has the J and the A. Oh, and it's like a little tote bag. Oh my goodness, these are always so helpful. I am always wanting one whenever I need to take my things just quickly out of the house into the car. This is going to be so helpful, and I love the color. So simple, so it's a great size as well. Okay, so I am in love with this, and I believe the price was $49.95. So I think that's really reasonable for everything that you get. So we got the little tote bag. We got a washi, a mile liner, and then we got the fall bucket list, which I'm super excited about. I cannot wait to add this into my half letter. And then the inserts. I was just talking about that I wanted to get her inserts, and I'm so glad that I have these to play around with these until I decide what I'm going to do for 2021. But I'm pretty sure that I want to go with her inserts if I end up getting rings. So then we have this one. And this looks so pretty, just layered with all of these. Like, I think this one is my favorite. I just love that bluish greenish color. And then we have this one, just really pretty, so beautiful, just layered. And then we have the cover. Okay, this is super pretty. I think I like either one. I think they both are really cute because you could technically use this as your cover as well. So I love that. And then we have this and the sticky notes and these right here. So I love everything that was included. I am so happy that I ended up ordering this before I even purchased anything from her shop. I am really happy, and I can't wait for her next box. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.